Hey guys, Natalie here at Shoes of Hollywood once again. Another unboxing. This time it's a pleaser flamingo shoe, so you know what that means. 8 inches. I'm excited though, always. We have done these shoes before. We've done them in a 6-inch and they've been a cream colour. So this time they're 8-inch and black, but they're pretty funky. So these are a Flamingo 800-14 and they're a black matte shoe. So yeah, they got the lace up on the front, they're pretty cool. And a strap across your toes. We'll pull out the other one. Ooh. So. Oh. Ooh. Cool. So yeah, they're really awesome. They got the best, like, I swear though, the 8 inches have the best sole in them, the comfiest sole. So that's a bonus. And they're so sturdy. It's pretty cool. So you got an open heel at the back, as well as having the open toe at the front. And then yeah, you've got this cool little lace up. It's, I guess you could say it's a little gothic. So for all of you gothic ladies out there, this is a pretty cool shoe for you. So let's check them on. I'll get there. I will. It'll happen. I don't think that's enough. Sorry. Okay. There we go. There we go. There's one. Try and lace him up properly. There we go. So yeah, it's got this cool little crisscross pattern as well. Everyone loves a good crisscross. The front, and then I'll try and tie my bows. There we go. It's not the perfect bow. Hope you forgive me for that one. It's not very good. Check on the other shoe as well. So yeah, they're simple. They're high. They're simple though. They're a good shoe. You could wear them out. You could wear them to dinner, you could wear them just on a night on the town, and because they're so comfy you don't need to worry about how far you need to walk. There we go. I think that'll work. And then they've got these little silver loops that hold the ribbon as well, and it adds just a little bit of extra class. I guess you'd call it class, yeah? These little hoops. It's just a little bit to catch the eye, but it doesn't draw away from like the ribbons or anything else. So try to do another bow. Cool. I think that works. pretty nice. Let's go for a little walk. Cool. These ones are a bit sturdier than the last 8-inch that I wore, which is good. Probably because there's so much support across your ankle with all the little ties. Really helps to keep you locked in the shoe. Yeah. So let's go for a little walk. We'll see how they look outside. I got this. All good. They are really, really good to walk in. They're really comfy. And they're just plain black, so honestly they'll just match pretty much anything you want to wear. You'll be able to wear with these ones, dress or pants or jeans. You'll be able to get them to work really well. got a really, really good grip on the bottom of the shoes. There's no slipping or sliding around, which is always really great. Cool. Take these ones off. Undo all the lacing. This ribbon is really high quality as well. Just want to mention, like, that is such good quality. Cool. And that's those ones. So they were a Flamingo 800-14. And yeah, I hope you like them. Please leave us a comment, tell us what you think of the shoes, and hit the notification bell, hit subscribe, and we'll catch you for our next video.